We are PC Doctor, and we test the devices of the world. We help train the next generation of pilots by testing the hardware of flight simulation training equipment. We help save lives by ensuring that the hardware of MRIs, heart monitors, and pacemaker calibration systems are working. And we are healing our planet by helping companies refurbish and recycle the world's electronics, reducing waste in our landfills. We are PC Doctor, and we can test your home, business, or industrial computers and devices.